Hi guys, today I'm going to watch a rocket launch, so it's going to be awesome. If you're wondering what happened to my glasses, I lost the lens, so now I got to watch me wear my hat like this. Perfect. Alright, so we're just going to wait here and wait and wait and wait. You guys, it's so hot. Where is it going to be pointed at?
Their way somehow.
Alright. This is going to be humongous and it's going to be awesome. As you can see, there's some other people here who we do not know who the heck they are.
But I don't want to hear the noise. That's the main thing. I want to hear the noise.
I know, that's one of the things that you got.
Crazy laugh.
Yeah. I kind of want to get on top of this trunk, but then I might bend it.
Not you, truck.
Shush, truck. Don't you hate it when they have those type of things? Yes. Hey, you guys want to see a magic trick? You guys want to I did it wrong. You guys want to see a magic trick? Okay. My brightness is turned all the way up, so should be coming any second now. Any second. It's a bird. It's a plane. No, it's a banana or something. I don't know.
No, it's really a bird.
Yeah, it's a bird. Copyright music, but gonna be copyrighted, I don't know.
Anyway, as long as you're using it as a parody or something like that, copyright's not bad.
Yeah. I dropped my phone. It's a bird.
It's another bird.
Birds! Oh yeah, if you guys didn't know.
Look! Well, we still haven't heard it yet.
Yo! That is awesome!
Wow, how long does it take before you can
Jesus!
Finally!
If you guys don't know it, we can hear it.
Wow, that is wacky doodle! Look at the flame, it's as big as
Oh
the
my-
rocket.
Jesus Christ, this is awesome! I'm sorry guys, you may not be able to see this. Oh, that's so cool!
Good luck!
Yeah! Oh, that's so awesome! Oh! If you guys can hear, that's the sound of the rocket. Oh my God! Even though it's that far away, you can still like hear it. You guys can still see it.
Oh, imagine what it would be like close up.
Oh, that's so cool! Yeah, sorry guys, we came late to this, but next time we're gonna be really close up. Well, that's all I wanted to show you guys, so I'll see y'all later. Bye.